everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if y'all ain't know, a lot of things have happened since y'all last seen me. I moved. Okay, I moved to a new apartment. I moved here August 1st. It is August 5th or 6th or something like that. But yeah, I moved to a new city. Let's start off. I graduated college from the University of Pittsburgh, and then I moved to a new city just because I wanted like a change of scenery, you know what I mean? Wanted some time to myself, do what I want to do and shit like that. So I actually decided not to live too far from Pittsburgh, so I moved to Cleveland. So you guys are about to be looking into my new luxury downtown Cleveland apartment. Yeah, okay, so come on, let's go. Okay, so you walk into my apartment and the first thing you see here is this little area right here, right? Then you open the door and then we have the water heater, which is right here, and then we have the dryer and the washer, and this is like already made my day, or like made my stay here already, simply because I didn't have this like in my other apartment. Well, not in unit, like our other washing machine we had to go like outside, and we shared it with our other what's it called, not suite mates, our neighbors, and they gave me hell. So I'm happy that I have my own shit so that I don't have to put no one else's stuff outside or in a trash bag or nothing. All my shit is right here. So yeah, up here I have my paper towels, and then I have my detergent. I need to pull it out a little bit, pull it in a little bit, and I just have some Myers multi-service cleaning spray. I have to move that actually now that I think about it. But then up here, I have like my tissues, and I have some like extra towels. I'm gonna get way more. And I actually wanna put some like command hooks and like baskets over here of just like clean linens and stuff like that. I really wanna take this time in this apartment to utilize like the wall space in other parts of my apartment instead of like using either the stuff they already gave me or the floor. So yeah. We also have my broom and my mop. And then we have my fabric softener that I actually want to put up there, but okay, yeah. And then as soon as you close the doors here, we have an area where you're gonna keep your shoes. So I didn't really grow up with the no shoes in my house policy, and that always made me mad because my mom and me always like mop the floors, and that was irritating. So I'm gonna have one of those like in my house. I'm really excited. I'm actually gonna get a doormat actually, right? That says, "Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house," because I mean it. So I'm really excited about that. So next we have the thermostat, which is down here, and I can control it by touching it. I actually have everything turned off right now so that you guys can actually hear me, because this joint be getting loud, as y'all will see in my vlogs to come. But yeah, the cool thing about this is that I can actually like change the settings of this from my phone on an app that like the apartment complex gave me. This is actually like a smart apartment, which is like really, really cool. Like way, way bigger than anything I'd ever had in my life. Okay, so now we have the bathroom, okay? So we have this big ass mirror here, and then we have the sink with the faucet, and then we have all my little toothbrush and toothpaste stuff. You know, once I decorate it, I'm gonna show you something real cute. And then we have a good amount of storage space down here too. I just wanna say this is my first bathroom I've ever had to myself. So I've never had all this space to do like what I actually want. So yeah, down here, I just have like all my bathroom stuff. I still need to figure out how I want to organize it, or how I want to get like different containers to like put certain things in. But like basically my main stuff that I grab for is like at the top. And then I also, let me shut this door. And then I also have some cabinet space here, right? So here we just have like my makeup that I'm gonna put in here. And then here's like washcloths and crap like that. Okay, so I feel like every single home also needs some sort of like medicine cabinet. There's like a place where you can keep all the things that you make sure that you don't die or anything. So yeah, I have that right here that I'm going to be slowly building up. I don't usually get sick. I usually take medicine, but you know, you never know. You want to be prepared, so yeah. And then I also really like how there's this light up here as well, you know, just to give the bathroom a little bit more of a brighter look. You will understand why I keep talking about brightness as we get further into this tour, okay? So then we have my toilet right there, all cute. And then I've never had a walk-in shower before, but this is my fucking shower all to myself. Like, how ridiculous is this? And then it also has these like shelves to like put all of your stuff on. So here I have like, you know, my body stuff and like my skincare. And then down here I have my hair stuff that I'm going to be slowly updating and changing as time goes on. Another thing that I really like about this bathroom is actually the backsplash. Like it's not like just like basic tile. It's kind of like indented in a way, but makes it look really cool and gives the shower some sort of like character, you know what I mean? So yeah, I really like that. And this is the shower head. I've honestly never had anything so nice in my life, so this joint just got me shook. Okay, girl, shook as hell. Okay, so I also want to put some things on the wall. I want to have like a painting here. I think the theme I'm going for is for like black, nudes, not really like bright colors, very much like neutral. So I want something here, and then I also want something here as well. I think I'm gonna get some pictures off Etsy and like put them in the frame and put them up here. But yeah, we definitely have some plans for this bathroom. And I want to get some cute stuff to put on the counter too. I feel like I'm probably gonna end up going to Ross and like seeing what I like from there to like slowly put things together. Or maybe Amazon, I don't know. I haven't really like ordered anything online yet because I've been really like picky and just like wanting to see what they have now. But all right, so now walking in this way, this is my, I mean, I've been living in here, so this is my bedroom so far. I actually got a new bed. I got a queen bed, and then on my bed you see all like my computer stuff and gadget. I was editing before I did this. Right, and then I also was so happy that I was able to bring this mirror from my old apartment. I said if there's anything that I bring from my old apartment, this is a must. Okay, like how cute is this? Y'all been seeing this though, like this had to come with me. And then I also have like a black ottoman here with my TV. So this space is a little bit smaller than what I'm used to, but I really want to like turn this into like a sanctuary place. Like I don't want to do makeup in here. I don't want to do work in here. I just want to lay down on my computer or like watching TV. Like that's it. Okay. And then this section over here is going to be the area where I put my TV. And then I'm thinking of getting like a floating shelf over here. And then on this floating shelf, I'd have like the TV stuff. But then I'd also want to put my cute stuff, like my jewelry or like my perfumes or like, you know, like little thick knick-knack things as well. Okay, now we're going into my closet. This is probably everything that I owned in my old apartment in this room right here. This closet is actually really big, as you can tell. Like this is way bigger than my old closet. Yeah, no, this joint was crazy. This joint is crazy. It's very much walk-in. I want to be able to color coordinate my closet the same way I did my other one. That's gonna take some time. I've just been really in the business of like getting like all new stuff, which is why everything is kind of just like cluttered in here for now. But yeah, I might turn this into a space where I film. Like if I organize it properly and like I said, utilize the walls as like a place to like store stuff and whatnot, I could actually turn this spot into my filming area. You know, if I do film, if I ever do sit down videos, I don't really know. Like I haven't done a sit down video in a long time. I just found myself vlogging more, so yeah. We'll see. And then for this entryway, I actually wanted to have like a little console table here. For some reason in my brain cells, I'm seeing it to be like a gold console table with like a mirror over here with like a hook to kind of like hook my keys. And then like a kind of like, you know, some sort of decorative stuff like on the table, you know, just to like make this area look cute. So next stop is, oh, you can hear the echo in here. Oh, okay, so next stop is my kitchen. And this is probably my favorite part of the whole house, okay? So I'm gonna just show y'all from top to bottom. Oh, speaking of top, I didn't show y'all something. Okay, so what I didn't show you is the fact that I have lofted ceilings, which means, girl, them ceilings is high as fuck, which is why there's so much of an echo in here when I talk. I mean, also with the fact that I haven't fucking put no furniture in there. But yeah, no, how cool is this, right? Now let me show you the kitchen. So this is the kitchen space that I will be working with for the next 2 years. And y'all niggas know I like to cook, so it's really exciting. So we have this cabinet right here. And this cabinet I'm going to be using as somewhere for like my plates, my cups, my glasses, my mugs, stuff like that. I want to get a cup. I want it all to be white though, you know, like all my stuff to be white. But I don't know just yet. And then we have this nice counter space here that I can use to prep food and whatnot. We have this drawer as well, and this drawer has, you know, all my cutlery and whatnot. I actually want to get a special like cup, like a cute like cup type thing for this stuff here to put right next to my stovetop. And then we have places for storage here, right? So this is like my miscellaneous drawer. And then I have nothing in here. And then down here, girl, you know it ain't nothing if it ain't a drawer for bags. So, duh, what else? But also down here, I just have like my pots and my pans and stuff like that. That's my appliances that I'm going to be using to cook. And you know, as time goes on, I'm finna get more. So this is my stovetop. I've never had a glass stovetop before. I'm used to like a gas one. So the fact that this is flat and electric is like really ridiculous to me. But you know, we will make it do. I've already used it to make a meal and it was sort of kind of easy to clean. I'll talk to y'all on my next vlog about the issue I personally had with cooking on this, but yeah. And then we have a whole ass oven so I can bake and do things as I please. Then I have my 2 little rags that I use just to like wipe my counters down and whatnot. This was another counter space that I have, again, for like appliances and like my knife set and whatnot. So in this cabinet, I have I'm gonna be having, or as you see, I have all my spices. I literally brought the entire spice rack from my old crib and brought it here because, girl, it takes a few motherfucking years to get a nice ass spice rack, and I feel like I definitely acquired that over the past few years. So yeah, could not be without that. And then I have some more cabinet space here. So like here, I just ended up putting my oils, my baggies, my silverware that I haven't used, stuff like that. And then here's gonna be my Tupperware like cabinet, but I only have some on Tupperware because my old one was just so raggedy. I was like, oh, so yeah, I'll be accumulating more Tupperware over time. And then we have my refrigerator, which is stainless steel that I really, really like. I have this thing against white appliances, so yeah, that's just a hell no for me. And that's my refrigerator. It's not empty because, you know, I've been living here, obviously. And then I also have a nice refrigerator all to myself, and it has the ice maker in there as well, which is a good for me. And then we have some more storage up here. What do I have here? You know, just the type of stuff that you keep in a pantry is like what I basically like kept up here. And then we have an island here as well. I have never had an island in my house before, so this is very, very exciting for me personally. This is gonna be where I edit my videos, do my work, eat my dinner, stuff like that. So there's no need for me to go and get a dining room table or anything like that. It also comes with a dishwasher and just some more storage. So under here, I like to have my cleaning supplies. I literally love having a bunch of cleaning supplies. I don't know what's wrong with me. It just makes me feel like I'm in a clean home. So yeah. And let's not forget my deep ass sink too. You know what was funny? When I was originally looking at like apartments, and I already signed the lease for this place. And because I was so excited, I didn't know if it had like a deep sink or anything like that. So I was like really, really nervous. But when I moved in, I was like, oh, thank God, there's a deep sink. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, no, that's important. Just so like, let's say there's a time I don't really feel like doing my dishes or whatever, at least it won't be like bubbling out of my like sink. You know what I mean? And look trifling. Not only does this place have a deep sink, but it also has a garbage disposal. Thank God, because thank God for the garbage disposal, because my past apartment did not have a garbage disposal, and it was so trifling because I would have to literally put my hands into the sink to like get the stuff out and put in the trash. Like, I'm not doing that anymore. That's just not my portion, okay? Okay, so I also have these like mini industrial like lights over top of my island, which I really like. Gives this place a very like sleek and modern look. So yeah, that's that up there. Okay, and then this is the living room area. Okay, so over here, I actually want to get a couch. Here, I want to get like not a gray, like a cream couch. And I want it to be a sectional, and I want it to be like this, right? And like that. I don't know what way it's facing, whether it's left facing or right facing, but I want one of those. And then I want like my TV over here. And I see myself having like a 60-inch TV like over on this side with, again, I want everything to look very sleek, so like a floating shelf over here, like a floating shelf that would serve like the entertainment center. I don't want any wires showing for the TV either. And then for as far as like rug and like coffee table, I don't really know yet, but that's definitely something I want to have in this place. Oh, let's not forget the walls, babe. So we definitely have to decorate the walls here. So on this side, for some reason, I see myself having like a 3-panel painting over my couch, preferably black, because I have this like black and like cream thing going on in my brain. And then we finna have some side tables over, oh, not over here. I guess the side table would be like over here on this side of the couch and like over here. But yeah, hopefully like the stuff I'm looking for fits. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me while I'm doing all like my new apartment shopping and all that. And I guess it'll just be like a bunch of moving vlogs for the next few weeks. I'm not really sure, but yeah. Okay, let me tell you the bad thing about this apartment, okay? Bad thing about this apartment is the fact that it literally only has like one effing window, and this is it, right? And it doesn't even open all the way. It opens maybe like 3 inches from like the bottom. So, and it faces a wall. So because of that, there's not a ton of natural sunlight that comes into this place, which is why I want to decorate it like super duper bright so that at least like my furniture and stuff can like brighten up the space. But no, yeah, it's just like really crazy. But this place is like such a steal that I couldn't even like pass up on it. And this place, like the living room area too, also has super high ceilings. I'm about to show you that right now. See, again, with the lofted ceiling idea all throughout the apartment. Okay, so I think that's all I have to show you guys for my apartment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any ideas on how I should decorate this joint, because I'm trying to have it in like a month. So yeah, we gonna see. All right, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.